Welcome to the ultimate showdown of the world's most powerful mining and construction machines. From giant excavators to mighty haul trucks, these beasts don't just move earth, they redefine what's possible. Stick around as we count down from number 10 to number 1, revealing the top 10 heavy hitters changing the game with raw power, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched precision. Number 10. Komatsu PC490HRD-11. This is the Komatsu PC490HRD-11, built for serious demolition work. Thanks to the K100 system, it's like having 6 machines in one. It can switch tools in under 2 minutes, right from the cab. No hoses, no pins, no getting out. It reaches up to 105 feet and lifts 5,500 pounds in high reach mode. For digging, it works at 57 feet. The cab tilts up to 45 degrees for a better view, and a 360-degree camera keeps the operator aware. With a 36,000-pound counterweight, strong glass, and heavy guarding, this machine can handle almost anything. Number 9. Liebherr LR 13,000. The Liebherr LR 13000 stands as one of the kings of crawler cranes, boasting an extraordinary 3,000 tons load capacity. This monstrous machine is a true game changer in industries like power plant and refinery construction. With a max hoist height of 236 meters and a radius of 200 meters, it tackles jobs beyond the reach of smaller cranes. Its slewing ring design allows operation without a derrick ballast, and its modular design makes transport surprisingly simple. HVO-ready and eco-efficient, this crane is built for massive, mission-critical lifts. Number 8. Cat D11 Dozer. The Cat D11 is a serious earth mover, packing 850 horsepower from its C32 engine. Designed to push more dirt using up to 8% less fuel, it boosts productivity while cutting maintenance costs. Faster reverse speeds reduce cycle time, and load-sensing hydraulics enhance precision. Inside, the operator gets a touchscreen interface to monitor and optimize performance. Rugged, smart, and efficient, the D11 is a legend in the dirt-moving world. Number 7. Cat 938 Wheel Loader. The Caterpillar 938 Wheel Loader is built for performance and efficiency. Its C7.1 engine delivers power at low speeds for fuel savings and torque. A 6.5 cubic yard bucket and 36,000-pound frame make it a versatile job site tool. With Z-bar linkage, auto torque control, and 4 driving modes, including an ice mode, it adapts to any environment. The cab is loaded with smart features, visibility upgrades, and optional cameras to keep operators safe and productive. Number 6. Cat R2900 XE Underground Loader. The Cat R2900 XE is the first diesel-electric underground loader from Caterpillar, combining a 449 horsepower engine with electric drive to boost efficiency by 20%. It delivers 35% more lift force for quicker digs and hauls 18.5 tons per load. Designed for underground use, It cuts emissions and fuel consumption while enhancing operator safety with intuitive controls and smart lighting. It's built for performance below the surface. Number 5. Cat 798 Haul Truck. This 410-ton beast runs on a 3,500 horsepower engine and electric drive, with 18% more torque for powerful climbs. It offers high-speed stability, dynamic braking, and smart safety systems. From traction control to anti-rollback, it's made to handle the heaviest loads reliably. With simplified service access and long maintenance intervals, the Cat 798 keeps mines running smoothly and efficiently. Number 4. Komatsu PC7000-11 Hydraulic Excavator. This surface mining monster is powered by dual engines producing a combined 2,500 kilowatts. Its 38 cubic meter bucket makes quick work of big loads, and real-time monitoring ensures maximum productivity. At nearly 700 tons, it's built to withstand relentless operation with long service intervals and robust hydraulic systems. Number 3. Komatsu WX15 LHD. The WX15 is an underground loader with a 15-ton tramming capacity and a Mercedes engine delivering 280 kilowatts. With 4-speed forward, reverse gears, and torque converter, it's made for tight tunnels and tough tasks. It features advanced differentials, 8-degree oscillation, and is automation ready, future-proofed for mining's next generation. Number 2. Kobelco SK400DLC-11. This 50-ton demolition machine is purpose-built for tearing down tall structures. With a 210 kilowatt engine, powerful hydraulics, and 70% gradability, it handles rough terrain and heavy loads with ease. It's fast, efficient, and rugged, with precision swing, fast movement, and a massive fuel tank to go all day. Number 1. Liebherr MK88-4.1 Mobile Construction Crane. This urban legend navigates tight city streets with a 3.55-meter slewing radius and agile 8x6x8 drive. It lifts 2,200 kilograms at 45 meters and extends to 59 meters high. Designed for fast setup and quick lifts, it thrives in urban projects. The electric drive and eco mode make it perfect for zero-emission zones and noise-sensitive jobs. There you have it, the 10 most powerful machines on the planet. Whether tearing through rock or rising above the skyline, these giants represent the cutting edge of engineering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to catch more legendary machines in action.